Imagine a giant public notebook that anyone can read, but no one can erase. That's the core idea behind cryptocurrency. It's money that lives on a shared digital ledger called a blockchain, like a Google Doc for transactions where every line is locked in once it's written. Let me start simple. Picture a neighborhood lemonade stand with a tip jar. Instead of trusting one kid to guard the jar, the whole block watches every coin dropped in and writes it down in a notebook. If the notes match, the tip is real. That's crypto. No single banker, no single server, just rules enforced by math and many watchers. So, what actually is a cryptocurrency? It's a digital token secured by cryptography. You don't hold coins in a file the way you hold a photo. You hold a key, like a super long password, that lets you move value recorded on that public ledger. Lose the key, lose the access. Not your keys, not your coins. How does the ledger stay honest? Two main ways. Proof of work. In proof of work, think Bitcoin. Computers race to solve puzzles. The winner writes the next page of the notebook and earns new coins. Two main ways. Proof of stake. In proof of stake, think newer chains like Ethereum today. People lock up coins as a security deposit. If they cheat, they can lose that deposit. Either way, the goal is the same. Make it expensive to lie and easy to verify the truth. Why do people care? Scarcity. Bitcoin has a hard cap, 21 million. Programmability. On platforms like Ethereum, money can follow rules. If this, then pay that. Smart contracts. Global access. If you have the internet, you can send value. No bank hours, no borders. But let's be real about the trade-offs. Prices can swing wildly. Scams and fake giveaways are everywhere. And self-custody means responsibility. Back up your recovery phrase offline. Never share it. Double-check addresses. Convenience versus control is a choice. Exchanges are easy. Wallets give you sovereignty. What does a transaction look like? You use a wallet app to sign a message with your private key, like stamping your unique wax seal. The network checks the signature without ever seeing the secret itself. If the rules are met, the transaction gets bundled into a block and added to the chain. Once enough blocks pile on top, it's effectively permanent. Is crypto anonymous, more like pseudonymous? Wallets are public addresses, random-looking strings. Anyone can see flows between addresses, but not your name unless you link them. Some tools boost privacy. Laws vary by country. Coins versus tokens. Coins are native to a chain, like ETH on Ethereum. Tokens are created on top of a chain, like an event ticket printed on that shared notebook. Same ledger, different purposes. Payments, governance, game items, even stablecoins. So what is cryptocurrency in one line? It's an internet-native way to hold and move value without needing permission, secured by open math instead of closed institutions. If you're curious to learn more, start small. Try a test wallet, send a tiny amount, feel the flow, and write down your recovery phrase, on paper, not screenshots. The best way to understand the notebook is to add one careful line.